guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY clear slime or jelly slime. This slime is super simple and easy to make, and you only need a few things. So, let's get started. You'll need a bowl or something to mix in, a spoon or something to mix with. You'll also need some borax or slime activator. I put mine in a foamy hand soap bottle. You can put it in any bottle or you can make it right away. You can use 1 cup of warm water to 1 or 2 tablespoons borax. I wanted to try something new and see if foaming borax would work well. I'm probably not going to call it that name, just borax. You can also pour it out if you like. Now, pour in your glue. I'm going to use some clear glue. It should look something like this. You can use a different amount if you like, big or small. Now, add in your activator. It should look something like this. Now, take your spoon or thing that you're mixing with and mix your ingredients all together. You'll add some more activator after this. Now you just want to keep adding your activator and mix it until your clear slime all comes together. I had to add a lot of activator for it to come together, so mine got a lot of air bubbles. So try to mix slowly. You can always put your slime in a container so it can be completely crystal clear. It's probably going to take more than a day, but all the air bubbles will escape to the top. Then seal the lid. I still had a little bit of foam beads on the lid because I didn't really wash out my container afterwards. Thanks for watching and see you next time.